I will show you on how to find your best customers using AI and in just few minutes. What you need is just your invoice data, which can then be converted into a metric called as customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value, or CLV, is the total revenue which a business can expect from a customer throughout the entire relationship. Customers who are having a higher CLV are your best customers. And I will show you on how to calculate the customer lifetime value using my platform datajarvis.ai, and you can also try it out. So let's now go to the platform. So here I am on my platform datajarvis.ai, and let me first of all go ahead and select the application which is going to help us do the customer lifetime value calculations. So customer lifetime value is going to help you find your VIP customers who are your best customers, as well as identified customers who are at risk. Now let us get started, and what you need is you need an invoice data. So here I'm using some sample data, but if you want you can also upload your own data. So this data has got the customer ID, it has got the order date, as well as it has got the purchase amount. Now let us configure this analysis. So customer lifetime value is basically the average order value multiplied by the purchase frequency, how frequently the customer is purchasing, multiplied by an estimate of customer lifespan multiplied by the profit margin. So here you need to specify some different columns. So here for customer ID, I'm specifying the customer ID column which is available in the data. We also need to specify the purchase date, which is the order date in the data, as well as the transaction amount, which is the amount column in the data. You also need to specify the profit margin. So here we can estimate it to be 30%, as well as you also need to specify that what is an average customer lifespan, and here I'm estimating it as 3 years. Now once you have done that, you can calculate the customer lifetime value, and behind the scene the platform is using AI to calculate the customer lifetime value, as well as it is also going to give us all the different insights. So here we have the results, and for the 25 customers which it has found in the data, the average customer lifetime value is $4,298. And it has also given some different insights. So for example, it has found a champion segment, which is the best customers, which are only 16% of the total customers, but they're contributing to 64% of the total revenue. In addition, we also have some different information such as what customers need attention, what are the risks, as well as what are the different recommendations. Now here you have the segment breakdown. So it has identified different segments. So for example, the champion segment are your best customers. And there are 4 of them, but they are contributing to an average customer lifetime value of almost about 8,761. So these champion customers are your best customers. They are highest value customers with frequent recent purchases. In addition, it has also identified other customers who are at risk. So these are these high value customers, but who haven't purchased recently. Now you have also some other segments over here. And in addition, you also see some visualization, as well as you also see the revenue per segment. So you can see that your champions or your best customers are contributing to most of the revenue. And you can also see this visualization which shows the revenue contribution over time. So if I take the champions, you can see that they are continuously contributing to the high revenue. But if you take the customers who are at risk, you can see that they start to contribute initially, but then they kind of disappear. Now you can also see the information in a tabular fashion, and you can also download this information into a CSV. So let us do that. So here you have all the information available in a CSV, and you can see that this information has got the customer ID as well as the predicted customer lifetime value, as well as it has got some other information as well as the segment to which the customer is assigned. So here you can filter by the champions who are your best customers. So here you saw on how to convert your invoice data into customer lifetime value information in just few minutes. And this information is very useful to identify your best customers as well as customers who are at risk. Thank you for watching.